Good morning, students. In the last lecture or in the last video, you shown the relation between the capital G and small g, gravitational constant and gravity. Capital G for the gravitational constant and small g for gravity. Now today we are going to some another factor or some another topic of the lesson, that is first one is factors affecting the value of G. G means the gravity of the earth. In that, three factors are there. First one is change along the surface of the earth. Change along the surface of the earth means we all know our earth is not perfectly spherical. It is a oval shape. So, and we also know our earth is rotating surface. So at the pole the value of G is 9.82 meter per second square and at equator 9.78 meter per second square. The value which is given, which we know the constant value, like G equals to 9.8 meter per second square. It is the constant and it is the average of these two, pole and equator. This is the average value, that is constant. Second thing is change with the height. Change with height means any object is moving upper to the surface of the earth, above the surface of the earth. Then the formula of G, Gm upon r square, gravity equals to gravitational constant into mass upon radius of the earth, square of radius of earth. This formula becomes the G equals to Gm upon r plus h square. Here h is the height of the object. Then the last one is change with the depth. Change with depth means object is moving under the surface of the earth or going inside the water. Then the formula G equals to Gm upon r square will change to the G equals to Gm upon r minus h. Here also h is the height, minus because the object is going inside the earth, under the surface of the earth. That's why here putting the minus. And in the previous equation the plus, because the object is moving above. Above is plus and going under the surface of earth is mass, is the minus. Now the next topic is, subtopic is mass. The definition is there: the amount of matter present in the object is called mass. Mass is the scalar quantity. Mass never can be changed anywhere of the surface of the earth, either it is on pole or equator, but mass is fixed. And the unit of mass is kilogram, kg or a gram. The next subtopic is weight. The definition of weight is the force with which earth attracts the object towards itself is called the weight of that object. I repeat, the force with which the earth attracts the object towards itself is called weight, weight of that object. Weight is a vector quantity. Scalar and vector, two different things. Scalar is fixed and vector, whatever quantities are vector, that will be changed. So same way weight can also change from place to place. And the unit of Newton is, the unit of weight is a Newton. Why? Because see in the definition, the force with which earth attract, it is a type of a force. That's why its unit is Newton. So we can formulate it: force equals to the weight, and weight equals to mass into gravity. Mass is fixed, gravity is also fixed, where G is the gravitational constant into mass of earth upon radius of the square of the radius of the earth. There are some more topics which I give you another video today only, and on the basis of that I'm trying to complete the first lesson today.